Hey friends, welcome back to Linguino English. Today we will learn how to use the negative form of simple present tense in English. When to use the negative form of simple present. We use the negative form when something isn't true. For example, I don't drink coffee. He doesn't like chocolate. How to use the negative form of simple present. To create the negative form, we use don't or doesn't and the base verb. For example, I don't like vegetables. He doesn't speak English. When to use don't and when doesn't. We use don't when the subject pronoun is I, you, we, or they. For example, I don't eat pizza. You don't drink coffee. They don't live in a city. We use doesn't when the subject is he, she, or it. For example, he doesn't eat pizza. She doesn't drink coffee. It doesn't sleep on a couch. We also use don't when the subject is a plural noun. For example, students don't eat pizza. Cats don't sleep on a couch. My friends don't go to the cinema. We use doesn't when the subject is a singular noun. For example, the student doesn't eat pizza. The cat doesn't sleep. My friend doesn't go to the cinema. Remember that when we use doesn't, we don't add s to the base verb. For example, he doesn't speak English. She doesn't drink coffee. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. It helps us create more videos like this one. If you want to learn how to use questions in the simple present tense, click on this video. This was Linguino English. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.